welcome to Fun with Caleb. Today I am going to build this Lego train, and it's got 764 pieces, which might take a couple hours. So let's go. Called the Express Passenger Chain. This Lego kit comes with 764 pieces, and I'm controlling them with this Lego remote control. That's all for today's Fun with Caleb. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys next time, so until then, goodbye.